My name is Kanya Sesser. I am a professional skateboarder, model, and actress. LA has this very cool, special feeling of chill, but also it just keeps going. Surfing, skateboarding, Hollywood, and people come here from many different places and make their dreams a reality. I came out to California to see what that life was like. The lifestyle, the chaotic, the spontaneous amazingness, Cali vibes. And Venice Beach was my first place that I went to, and everyone there was just so welcoming. They thought I was pretty much from Venice Beach. They thought I was local, and I was like, no, what part of California are you from? And I'm like, no, I'm from Oregon originally. And they're like, wow, I love your vibe. I love your smile. The way how you just skate and you just live life. And where are you from? Who are you? People want to know more of you because you bring out that personality that they're intrigued about. When I first started skateboarding, I was 9 years old, hanging out with kids out in the cul-de-sac. I saw my friend on her skateboard and I was like, what? I want to ride on it. And I just jumped on her skateboard. My first attempt was just riding down this gnarly hill right next to our house, and I heard a car coming, oh no, and I went way too fast. The wheels wobble and I had to bail. And I thought that was an amazing, reckless thing. So I'm like, I want my own skateboard. So I asked my mom, I was like, can we go to the skate shop and get a skateboard? And so we did, and she got me my first skateboard. It was just a mystery board, a 775. My skateboard is pretty much my legs. I don't feel trapped in my wheelchair. And it also saved me from being limited on certain things. I can just be part just like everybody else. And I'm on a skateboard just like everyone else. When I moved down here to Los Angeles, I didn't even know what adaptive skateboarder was. And I didn't know that there was a lot other people like myself without legs skateboarding, or people in wheelchairs doing wheelchair motocross and all that stuff. So I just skated around my neighborhood and never really thought anything of it. And I just go on the boardwalk because it feels good, the wind going through my hair, looking at the nice skies while I just ride my carverboard or skateboard, going down these hills, and it just makes you feel adrenaline and alive. And it's so beautiful. And I met amazing adaptive skaters who are missing limbs, who's missing legs, or just has a disability. And they're like, yeah, we skate too. I'm like, oh my gosh, what? No way. And that's what really connects me the most to the culture here, is because you never know who you would find. There is no limit in Los Angeles, and there's no limit in myself. That's why I started my Kanya Sesser, no legs, no limits, and kind of just have that motto. Even though I don't have legs, I don't feel disabled. I don't really identify myself in anything in any way. People would be like, so what do you think about disability? It's well, I don't feel I'm disabled, And it's oh, so how about your culture in Thai? Well, I was adopted. So how would I even know more about my culture? And that's why I feel kind of out of place, because for me, my only identity is life.